Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your GoCardless password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your password of GoCardless.com, you just simply have to open your browser, and after opening the browser, just simply open the site of GoCardless.com and log in your account. And after that, you will get this gear icon. Just simply tap to that gear icon beside the magnifier icon. And after going there, you will get to see this option of user settings. Tap to user settings. And now after tapping into user settings, you will get a bunch of options into this section. You just simply have to scroll down and scroll down until you see this section of change your password. And now into this section, you can just simply set up a new password for your account. Just simply tap to this box and you can use this automatically generated password by Google, or you can tap to create my own and create your own password. Just simply create your password which is suitable for you, and after that tap to save changes. But make sure that you don't mistake the password, because you can't get the option to type this password again, otherwise you have to reset the password and it might be problematic. So yeah, this way you can easily change your password of GoCardless. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.